Good afternoon, my dears. How are you? Fine. Very good. I hope you are fine at your home. Okay. So, which period is this? Which period is this? This is English period. Which period is this? English period. Okay. We have learned lowercase letters. What we have learned? We have learned formations of lowercase letters till Y. So first we will revise all the letters. Then after that we will start further letter. Okay. So let us revise all the letters. Look at the board. All of you fold your hands. Yes. Fold your hands and look at the board. A. Which letter is this? A. B. These all letters are small letters. These all letters are small letters. Okay. So look here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Okay, we have learned formation of all these letters. Which letter is remaining at last? W, X, Y, Z. Which letter is remaining? Z. Okay, so today we will learn formation of letter Z. Today we will learn formation of letter Z. Okay, so are you ready? Take out your notebooks, all of you. Yes, take out your notebooks. Erasers, pencil and sharpener. Take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener and start writing with me. Okay? Yeah. You know that we write uppercase capital letter in 3 lines. How many lines? 3 lines. So we write Z. We write Z in 3 lines. Okay. So which letter is this? This is capital letter. Okay. So today we will learn to write small letter Z. So how you will write small letter Z? We write small letter in 2 lines. Small letter in 2 lines. So we will write Z in 2 lines between middle line and base line. We will write Z between middle line and base line. You have to write Z has write capital letter, has same that you have to write Z, but you have to write in 2 lines only. Capital letter Z we write in 3 lines. Small letter Z we write in 2 lines. It is same. The formation are same, but differences of lines. Capital letter we write in 3 lines and small letter we write in 2 lines. Formation is same. There is no difference in formation. In zigzag way. Zigzag way we write Z. So we have to write small letter in 2 lines only in zigzag way. Okay? Sleeping line, slanting line and then again sleeping line. So start writing. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Okay. Look here. How you will write? Sleeping line, then slanting line, and then again sleeping line. Between two lines, we have to write letter Z. Okay, which letter is this? Z. Which letter is this? Z. And form it, and look here. Again start writing. You have to write full page, okay, neatly. You have to write full page neatly, not out of the line, okay. So look here, sleeping line, slanting line, and then again sleeping line. Same, we write capital letter Z now, same like that only you have to write, but difference is small letter you have to write in two lines only. Look here, sleeping line, slanting line, and then again sleeping line. Which letter is it? Z. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zoo. Finish writing in first line? Okay. Now in next line, start writing in next line. Write small letter Z. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Okay. Z for zoo. You go to a zoo. There are so many animals. Next. Again Z. In two lines only. Small letter Z. In two lines only. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. You have to say and write. Which letter is this? Letter Z. Which letter is this? Letter Z. Again sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping line. This is small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zip, Z for zoo, Z for zigzag. Zigzag lines are there now. Okay. Finish writing. Finish writing. Okay. Now in next line, write neatly. Okay. Write neatly and properly. Yes. Z. Which letter is this? Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zip, Z for zigzag, and this is small letter Z. You have to write in two lines only. Small letter Z. You have to write in two lines only. Zig in sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping line. Which letter is this? Z. Which letter is this? Z. Small letter Z. In two lines. In two lines only. Capital letter we write in three lines, but small letter we write in two lines. Z. Which letter is this? Z. Which letter is this? Z. Okay. Now next, you have to write full page. I don't have space at down. That's why you have to write full page. Look here. Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zoo, Z for zip, Z for zebra, Z for zigzag. Okay. Again, sleeping, slanting, and sleeping. Which line is this? Which letter is this? Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Which line is this? Which letter is this? Small letter Z. You have to write complete in your notebook. So we have completed lowercase letter A to Z. Which letter? We have completed our lowercase letter A to Z formation of all this letter. Okay. After that, finish writing all of you. Write fast and neatly. Done? Done all of you? Okay. Now you close your notebook. Now you close your notebook. Yes. Now we will do some oral part. Okay. We will do rhymes. We will do rhyme. So all of you close your notebook. Keep inside. Okay. Ready for rhyme? Ready for rhymes? You have to do with action. You have to do with action. The rhyme name is Bits of Paper. The rhyme name is Bits of Paper. Okay. Start with me. And you have to, first you have to listen and then you have to repeat after me with action. You have some paper you throw here and there at your home. Yes, that it is called bits of paper. You throw here and there paper, you tear it the paper and throw wherever you want. Okay, so we will say the rhyme. Okay, bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Okay, nice rhyme now. So now you have to repeat after me with action. Okay. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Okay, once again you have to repeat after me with action. You have to say rhymes with action. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Again, once again we will say the rhymes. Bits of paper. Say after me, repeat after me. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Yes, good. Clap your hands. Very good. Okay. After this, we will learn sight word. After this rhyme, we will say sight word. We will learn sight word. So you have to do practice of rhymes. Every day you have to practice the rhymes. Okay, now we will learn sight word. Which word we will learn? We will learn sight word. Okay, I will write the letters, you read it. Okay, look here. Which letter is this? S. Which letter is this? S. H. E. She. S. H. E. He. Which letter is, which word is it? Sight word. S. H. E. She. S. she. She word is used for females. She word is used for female. If we have to say the name. Say she is a girl. She is a girl. She is a good girl. How you will say? How you will use she word? She is a good girl. Okay. She has a new dress. Look here. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. Repeat after me. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. She is a good girl. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. Repeat after me, all of you. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. S-H-E. She. She is a good girl. She is a good girl. Next side word is T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. I am the best. I am the best. How you will use sentence word the? I am the best. T-H-E. The. Say all of you. Repeat after me. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. I am the best. Again repeat. Which letter is this? T. Yes, next letter. H. Next. E. T-H-E. The. I am the best. I am the best. A. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Next. S-H-E. She. She is a good girl. S-H-E. She. She is a good girl. T-H-E. I am the best. I am the best. Next, you. Next letter, read. Y. The next, O. U. Y. O. U. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Which letter is this? Y. Then O. U. U. Y. O. U. You. You are my best friend. How you will use word you in your sentence? Y. O. U. You. Y. O. U. You. You are my best friend. Y. O. U. You. You are my best friend. S-H-E. She. She is a good girl. T H E. The. I am the best. Y O U. You are my best friend. Again, now you have to repeat after me. We will revise all the three letters again. S H E. She. T H E. The. Y O U. You. Okay, again. S H E. She. T H E. The. Y O U. You. These three sight words you have to revise at your home every day. Okay. What you have to do? You have to revise this sight word every day at your home. Now again, once we will revise the rhyme bits of paper, then we end our class. So ready? See with action. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to revise rhyme and sight word every day. Okay, till then, bye and have a nice day. Be safe at your home.